ClinDesk helps you manage your clinic WhatsApp using on-device AI so that your patient data truly stays yours and safe. It can do all sorts of assistive tasks, such as reading patient messages, filling in the patient chart, transcribing voice notes, which is a big one. We all love and hate voice notes. It can understand photos, classify them, and so much more. My name is Emin. I am the founder and engineer of ClinDesk, and today I would like to present you the new version of ClinDesk that comes with a completely new architecture that allows you to utilize its AI capabilities. So why don't we just start in the onboarding? Here I want to show you how really easy it is to get set up. And you can see here right after pairing with WhatsApp, it immediately pulls in all the information that I already configured in WhatsApp, such as the logo, the clinic name, the address, the opening hours. I do not need to learn a new application and have another platform where I need to manage all this stuff. In this case here, it looks all correct, so I'm gonna press looks good. Here in the next step, it detected my clinic as a general practice one, which is correct, so I'm gonna go ahead with that. But you can see that it does also support different clinic types, such as gynecology, where it adjusts its tone to be a bit more trustworthy. In the next step, I get to configure my personal AI assistant. In this case, I called her Mia. We then continue, it downloads the on-device AI model, which is already ready in my case, and that's it. Right when we get into the application, we see a very familiar interface. That is by design. We want ClinDesk to feel just like using WhatsApp. In addition to that, you get some extra features that are specifically tailored towards the use case of running a clinic. And here we can see that on the sidebar, we get the patient chart with like the allergies and all the relevant information. On the left side, we get also some other tabs that we can go explore. We can also go to the dashboard here, for example, where we do see that we have some metrics here that are relevant for running our clinic. We see that there are 2 urgent cases that need our attention, how long it usually takes us to reply. In this case, under 5 minutes. That's good. And yeah, that's about it. So if we go back to the inbox, I'm going to pretend that I'm the patient. So I'm going to write the clinic here. You can see the message shows up. So let's go in here, see what it's doing. It read the message. It's now writing a reply. And there is also a draft reply here ready for us to review and send. So let's have a look. Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I help you with your visit today? Sounds like a good reply. I'm going to press send on my WhatsApp. I do have the reply. And I'm going to do something that many patients do actually, which is sending a voice note. So yeah, thanks. So I am having this headache since last week and I really need to see a doctor. So we sent the voice note. You can see here that it immediately transcribed the voice note. In this case, it looks completely correct. There have been no mistakes. I could also listen to the voice note and verify myself if that is correct. ClinDesk, or the AI assistant, is already working on it. It's understanding what's happening here. It's filling out the patient chart. We can see here on the right side that we have now a case. It's about a headache. It's going on since last week. And now the thing that I want to put a lot of emphasis on is the importance of a source. Whenever you work with AI, it is crucial for you to be able to go see where this information really comes from. So here we want to find out, okay, headache, but like, is it really a headache or did the patient say something else and you need to correct it? So I can press here on the voice note and it immediately highlights the voice note here, telling us that this is where the information comes from. We can now verify if that's correct. We can listen to the voice note. In this case, we know it's correct, so we're going to leave it at that. The draft reply is already here, so we can read it. Looks good to me. So I'm going to press send. And now I'm going to reply picture of the medicine that I'm taking. So I'm going to send this to myself. And right away, you can see the message is showing with the picture. And now the AI assistant is already working on it. It classified the image correctly as medication. The description looks correct as well. It's 100 milligram. That's all correct. We can again here see that there are sources to that information. So under medications, we can see that it says photo. So we can go here, check, that's correct. We can also see that no known allergies. And this is also correct that this was mentioned here in the photo that the patient sent. It's now asking about my age. So why don't we go ahead and also provide that. Now see if we can automatically fill that out as well. The next question it's asking me here is where I'm based in. I think we're not going to send that. So we're going to just remove that. And we're going to say thanks for sharing that. And we're going to ask if do you need an appointment next week? Now, that's something that I'm really excited about, is that the assistant learned. So we can see here that the operator sent something different than the assistant wanted to send, and it used that opportunity to reflect, to memorize that. And so next time when the patient is asking something similar or writing something similar, the assistant can better accommodate for the way you want to communicate as a patient. I can now go ahead and say, yeah, Monday would be great. And now we saw it very quickly is that it also did check the calendar. That's because I did connect it to my actual calendar, Google Calendar in this case, and it knows my availability and can provide that information to the patient. So it knows that Monday is June 15th. It knows that I'm free on these different times here. We're going to press send here. As a patient, I would say 9 a.m. works. So we can see now that it offers me confirmation. That means that everything's good. We have all that we need for the appointment. We can go ahead and press confirm. And now it's adding the entry to my calendar. We can see also here that it did schedule the appointment at 9 a.m. We can go here into our calendar. We can go to the next week and we can see here that there is indeed an entry for the patient, Emin, and we can press on it and go here to see all the information is here. So yeah, that's really it. That's how easy it is to use ClinDesk. You should feel right at home if you're already using tools like WhatsApp. And I am also more than happy to hear your feedback, hear your thoughts, and improve this together with you. With that, I'm wishing you a great rest of your day and speak soon.